As usual, I am starting the beginning of this beautiful day with the blessed name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. After waking up, I performed my Fajr prayer and spent some peaceful moments reading the Holy Quran. It felt so soothing, and even my cute cat sat beside me quietly listening to my tilawat, as if feeling the calmness of the words of Allah after finishing my Quran recitation. I prepared my breakfast and enjoyed it while feeling thankful for these simple blessings. Later I made a fresh fruit salad, adding a touch of sweetness with Cheshire. Milk, a perfect, refreshing choice for the morning. Once done, I cleaned up my kitchen and took a moment to appreciate the tidiness, a small effort that always brings peace of mind. Then I stepped out to the market for some daily essentials. Weather today is so nice and pleasant, with a soft breeze and a clear sky, truly a gift of nature that lifts the spirit. When I returned home, I was delighted to see a beautiful parrot perched on the tree in my garden, adding vibrant colors and a cheerful touch to the peaceful surroundings. This simple, beautiful morning reminded me how important it is to slow down and be thankful for every little blessing around us. Thank you for watching my short day routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing days and peaceful moments. See you in the next vlog. Inshallah.